Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Slack. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to search on Google Slack obviously, and it will take you right over here, and the first link you can see that Slack is your digital HQ. Click on that and it will take you right over here. So first of all, we need to understand like what is Slack and like why we are using Slack. So Slack is a collaboration platform that provides instant messaging, file sharing, and searchable archives for teams. It is designed to make communication easier and more efficient for business, helping them stay organized and connected. So as you can see, this website, this Slack, trusted by companies all over the world like Uber, even NASA, New York Times, Etsy, Airbnb. So it's not a joke. It's one of the best out there. And the good thing is that you can access it right away, and you don't need to do anything like super stuff efficient to get access to it, right? So what does it mean? That I will show you the pricing at the end of this video, and you will see that it is so good, even though obviously it's a free, and you can just try it for free, but there are some plans too, which I will show you. But at free version you have a lot of access to a lot of things, so you can just take advantage of it, right? So mostly people use like as a messaging app for business that connects people to the information they need, by bringing people together to work as one unified team, or select, you know you can just work as one, and you can just stay at one place as a business. And Slack transforms the way organization communicate. So what do you need to do? You need to, first of all, obviously you need to make an account, right? So you can see, you can just sign up from email or sign up with Google account. So I'm just going with this, click on this try for free. So I'm just going to click on this, wait for it. It will take you right over here, and what you need to do, you need to enter your email or your Apple ID or your Google ID. It's all on you. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So after entering your email, it will send you a code for confirmation, and I'm just writing it down from my email. And once you do that, you can see that you will end up over here, and you can just easily create your workspace from over here. Click on workspace, or just open up your, if they both are same, I just created this again. So click on workspace, and once you click on that, you will end up over here. And what you can do, you can see that you can just name your, what's the name of your company or team, just write it down over here, that anyone with, and this is my email, join this workspace. So I'm just gonna say yes. Next, what else is on the Araba theme? So I'm just gonna write like add teammate by email if you want, or we can just talk about this later, how you can add teammate, right? So I'm just going to skip this for now. And after that, you have what's your team working on right now. So I'm just gonna write marketing campaign, just for this tutorial purpose. Next, and once you click on it, you can see on the left side we have our dashboard and menu over here. So everything has been perfect so far. So what is going on, I'm gonna walk you through right now. So on the top, you can see that you have your name over here. You can just obviously write the name or new message from over here to anyone, like you can DM anyone. And once you DM anyone, you will find them over here, just like normal messaging app, right? And you have your channels over here. So channels, take channels as groups. So hashtag general mean everyone, whoever you are going to add in this Slack will end up seeing this message, so everyone can hear whatever you are writing over here. So how you can add teams, first of all, right? So you can see over here, you can just click on this, and you can just copy this link, and you can just send them. And what happens now, that if they want to join this, they will end up joining with that link. Or you can just write down their email and just click send. Simple as that, right? And if you want to click your like edit link settings, once you click copy link and you can send them, you can just edit them, like set it like 1 day expiry date or 7 days expiry date, so they have to do it right on that time. So that's how you can add teammates. Once you add them, you will end up seeing them over here. And after that, you can just start messaging them, right? And once you can just start messaging them, like you can just direct message them from over here. And these are the groups. Channels are groups. like normal groups, right? So general, you will find everyone over here. You have your marketing team, you can add them over here like separately. On the top right corner you can see you can add them separately on this group, like only marketing team, only marketing people. So you can just add them right away. And if you go scroll down over here, you can see that we have a lot of options available in messaging also. Like you can just bold, you can just use bold, italic and everything else. Normal link, if you want to add something, share, you want to share something, you can add even codes, code blog. It's all on you. You can just do anything over here. Even though you want to video call someone, record someone, something, you can do that from over here. And you can even you know DM them, and you can just easily talk to them from over here like privately. So that's how you can do that. And there are many application, like if you click on this, you can see, not on this, sorry, this, you can see that you have a lot of options over here, but there are multiple app integrations which you can choose, like Google Drive, Zoom, Trello, Google Calendar, OneDrive, and there are a lot of them which you can just add with your Slack account. So this is very useful in my opinion. It's one of the best out there. And next thing is we are going to tell you about like channels. So obviously I take channels as groups again, and you can just create channels from over here. And if you click on this, you can see create sidebar. Obviously this is a paid version, and you can just browse channels from over here. You can just click on that, and simple as that. So you can just like right click on this. You can just do all the things like open split view, or copy the name, or copy the link. You can just send them anyone. So this is how you can do that. And on the top you have your search bar. You can search anything over here and it will pop up over here. Anything, like anything related to anything. So even though if you have sent someone in private something, you can just name it down and it will show up over here. So you have like mega search on the top. So last but not least, if you click on this, your name, you can see that you have so many things over here, like invite people to wherever. Same, create a channel. If you want to create a channel from like for over here, you can also do that from over here. You have your preferences, you have your settings over here, and in settings you have workspace settings, edit workspace details, manage members, manage application if you want to, and tools, workflow, analytics if you want to check them out. And you have your workspace. You can create multiple workspace. So just suppose you have this business and you have other business also, you can just switch them from over here, switch your workspaces. You have your desktop app and you have your mobile app. So it is also available on Microsoft Store and iOS, obviously, like App Store and Play Store on Android. So it is available everywhere, and you can see that you can get access to this very easily. So right now I'm just going to show you the last thing, which is pricing. So right now we are using free version, and you can see we can add multiple people out here, and there is no limit in free version. I will show you that how Slack are planning their pricing. So let me show you right now. So as you can see over here, like choose the plan that's right for your team. So right now you can see that you have pro, business, and enterprise. If you going with the pro version, you can do that, and you have your business and enterprise. But right now I'm just going to scroll down to show you all of them over here. You can just find them over here. Right now we are using free, and 90-day access, 10 integration app allow on free version, and audio video clip, and one-on-one only, like work with external partners and Slack huddles, one-on-one only. Everything is available for you, but there are limited things obviously, but it's enough for the starter. But after that, pro version has a lot of things which you can see. And obviously once your business starts to growing up, you will start to going up over here also. But for the starter, I think free version is enough for you guys, and I guess you should go with this. So this is how to use Slack, and I hope you understand every single thing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any queries or feedback. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.